This is a video from DigiD. This video explains how to activate the DigiD app with ID check. Download the DigiD app from Google Play or the Apple App Store. The app must be activated first. If you have a phone with NFC reader, you can activate the app via the ID check. This is a one-time check of your identity document. You will need the following: a DigiD account, a smartphone or tablet, the DigiD app, and a Dutch identity document. Open the app. You activate the app in 4 steps. Tap Next. Enter your DigiD username and password. Tap Login. Tap Next to choose a PIN code. Pick a PIN code and enter this code. From now on, you will log in with this, so remember it well. Repeat the PIN code. Grab your passport, driving license, or identity card. You will need these for the ID check. Tap Next. Tap Start ID check. Choose which Dutch identity document you want to use for the ID check. Tap Start scanning. Hold your ID against the back of your phone. Unable to scan it, try to slide your ID slowly across the back of your phone until it connects. Once the progress bar is full, the ID check succeeded. Tap Continue. Leave the orange switch on if you want to receive messages about changes to your DigiD. Tap Next. Enter your email address if you haven't already done so, and tap Next. Then enter the verification code that was sent to your email address. Tap Next. And then tap OK. Now your DigiD app is activated. You can use it right away. Do you have a smartphone or tablet without an NFC reader, or does the ID check fail? Then activate the app via an SMS code. Therefore, watch the video, activate DigiD app via SMS code. Want to know more? Then go to digid.nl/en. DigiD is a product of the Government of the Netherlands.